The Hoover Regal is a premium bagless vacuum cleaner designed with families, homes with pets and allergy sufferers in mind. Featuring Hoover's most advanced powerhead, the Hoover Regal offers an unrivaled cleaning experience. The self-propelling powerhead with rotating brush gently vibrates carpeted surfaces to loosen and remove deeply embedded dust and dirt effortlessly as you clean. The powerhead is also height adjustable, ensuring a deep clean for carpets. Powerful LED lights on the front illuminate darker areas for greater visibility. The Regal Bagless features a 4-stage multi-cyclonic system that prevents suction loss and captures microparticles, allergens, fine dust and debris. The Hoover Regal also features washable HEPA and carbon filtration for a healthier living environment and is approved by the National Asthma Council's Sensitive Choice Program. The Regal Bagless includes a complete Hoover accessory kit with 11 deluxe cleaning tools, including the hand turbo tool for removing pet hair from furniture, combination floor tool, upholstery tool, long flexible crevice tool, dusting brush, hard floor turbo tool. The Hoover Regal Bagless for a thorough clean in homes with pets, children and allergy sufferers.